Are you ready?
Yep.
So I'm Wes. I have Janessa helping me, and this is Electric Cowboy in Louisville. Yo ho. And we did a roll in. We did it with a right to right hand hold prepping on two. It was a 1 prep 2, 3 and 4 out 5 and 6. And we did all the good fundamentals involved. We were going down the line 2 steps with a quality prep, tight steering on the turn in, and letting her out 5 and 6. Okay. Then we did it with 2 hands. Same concept. 3 and 4. We can take 2 hands out. We can go 1, 2, 3, we can let it go. We did it 2 other ways. We did a double X cross position. We only know how to get there to do that. So we're going to go 1, prep 2, turn 3 and 4. We can take it over. We can go 1, prep 2, 3 and 4. We can let it go. And then we did the really hard one because the lady has to have tight steering. She can't let her hand fly outside her body. That makes it more difficult for her. So I'm going to go 1, prep 2, roll in. She takes her right arm over and she goes out one more time. 1, 2, 3, and 4 of 5 and cool stuff. Thank you. Thank you guys very much. We're going to take a 2-song break. We'll come back and do it again. Thank you. Here we go.